This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening DevTools with Ctrl plus Shift plus I or F12. This gives you the testing workspace. Set the device toolbar to emulate widths, heights, and device pixel ratio so you reproduce real conditions. Once done, pick the correct frame or service worker context from the top left menu to target the running page or iframe. Make sure to preserve log or disable cache while DevTools is open. That prevents stale responses and mirrors user behavior. Now you're ready to inspect network, DOM, and scripts. You'll use elements to tweak HTML/CSS and confirm visual fixes immediately. Editing styles lets you iterate fast. Then go to sources to set JavaScript breakpoints, step through code, and watch variables so you understand state changes. Once done, run the performance profiler to capture CPU spikes and frame drops, and the memory snapshot to detect leaks. This shows why a page slows down or uses growing RAM. Make sure to repeat tests after each change, so results are isolated and reproducible. You finish by validating network and quality. Use the network panel to replay requests, inspect headers, timings, and failed status codes so you know what to fix. Run Lighthouse to get actionable scores for performance, accessibility, and SEO and follow its diagnostics. If tests behave inconsistently, clear cache, disable extensions, or reproduce in an incognito window to isolate interference. Troubleshooting tip. If DevTools shows different behavior, try hard reload with cache disabled and confirm results across another machine or browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.